In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add images to your presentation using the Search the Web feature within Google Slides. This is an excellent way to enhance your presentation visually without ever leaving the application. We'll walk through each step to ensure you grasp how to use this tool effectively. First, open your Google Slides presentation where you want to insert an image. You'll begin by navigating to the Insert menu, conveniently located in your toolbar at the top of the screen. Once you've clicked on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options for adding different types of content. Here, you'll select Image from this list, which will provide yet another set of choices for sourcing your image. What we're focusing on today is Search the Web, as it allows you to scout for images without the need to jump to another tab or application. Selecting Search the Web will prompt a side panel to pop up on your screen. It's neatly aligned along the right side of your presentation, keeping your workspace clean and organized while you browse for the perfect image. In this side panel, you will find a search bar where you can type in keywords that describe the type of image you're looking for. This is a crucial step, as well-chosen keywords will help yield the best results. For example, if you're presenting on wildlife, you might use keywords like jungle, wild animals, or forest habitat. Once you type in your keywords, hit Enter and a list of relevant images will appear. These images come from a wide array of sources found on the web. As you examine the results, take your time to scroll through the options. Find an image that fits both your content and aesthetic needs for your slide. Once you've found an image you like, select it by clicking on it once. You'll notice a blue checkmark appears on the image, indicating that it's selected. Now, look for the Insert button, which should appear in the bottom corner of your side panel. Press it, and the image will be automatically placed onto your current slide. It's important to point out a key aspect of using web-sourced images. Always verify the source and usage rights of the image. While Google does filter by license, it's best practice to ensure the image isn't copyrighted or that it is used legally if it falls under specific usage rights. Checking the source can be done by clicking on the image once it's inserted into your slide and exploring options to access its details. Following these instructions ensures your presentation remains both visually appealing and ethically sound. This method is not only efficient, but also keeps your workflow seamless as everything is managed directly within Google Slides. Now that you know how to utilize the Search the Web feature, enjoy enhancing your presentations with the perfect imagery.